come in, sir?
Please come on. आइए. Come, please take your seat. Yeah, come on. Your good name, please?
Sir, my name is Swagatika Rathab.
Swagita. Sorry, I think. Is it here in this list?
Yes, sir.
Serial, can you say?
14.
This one.
Sorry, you are right.
Yes, sir.
Madam, which is the remote?
So,
Swagita, please tell us about yourself.
okay, sir.
Can you, if you don't mind, are you keen on retaining the mask?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Let's see. One more. Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, she's very careful. Take it, let us respect her.
No.
Yes, sir. Is it okay?
I have no problem. They have no problem.
ଟିକେ ଲାଉଡଲି ବୋଲିଲେ ଭଲ ହେବ ନହେଲେ କାଟି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ.
Yes, sir. My name is Swagatika Rathab. I have completed my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya INS Chilka till 10th standard, and I completed my 10th in the year 2013. Then I enrolled myself in +2 sciences in Godavarisham Mahavidyalaya Banpur, Khordha, and for graduation and +2 I completed in 2015. Then for graduation I enrolled in the same college, Godavarisham Mahavidyalaya, under Utkal University, and I completed my graduation in 2018 with the honors geology, and thereafter I joined
Geology.
Zoology.
Okay.
Animal sciences, and that I completed in 2018, and thereafter I joined Ramadevi Women's University, Bhubaneswar, for my post-graduation in Master in Life Sciences. And now I'm preparing for civil services these days.
Swagati.
Yes, sir.
Swagati, tell us something about this virus which has agitated the whole world since you are a student of life sciences.
Yes, sir.
So what are the possible trajectories of this pandemic? We hear a lot of, we being lay people, I being a layman in that sense, or student. So what is the possible trajectory of this pandemic?
Trajectory, in a sense that how it is going to impact. So, sir, this is a RNA virus from the family.
That may be one reason why you are insisting on having the mask, perhaps, being a life science student. Maybe. Yeah, good. That's how it is. Because
Yes, sir.
no, if you are comfortable, you can put it on. If you feel like.
Thank you,
I
sir.
think I thought so, because she's very conscious, aware of the consequences. I mean, if you want, we can also put it on. And we must respect her security. And I appreciate it. Take it. Okay.
They will do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
So actually, this is a virus from the coronavirus family. As it is a
Coronavirus
single
has a family.
Yes, sir. It is. There is a family.
What
Every
is the
virus.
technical term?
It is actually. So if I'm not.
SARS.
So that is a severe. SARS is a severe acute respiratory syndrome.
Syndrome.
That is a condition.
That group.
Actually, group is COVID-19.
So COVID. There is a family.
SARS
that
COVID.
is- Yes, sir. But that is not a family. There are Middle East respiratory syndrome also, and earlier there also COVID.
So coronavirus is a family.
It belongs to a family. That is
One species.
No, sir.
How many species in coronavirus family?
Sir,
More than 200.
yes, sir. We can say that they are mutating at a very faster rate. RNA is unstable form of genetic material, so it has a tendency to mutate at a very fast pace that even we cannot imagine that it can occur. So coming to the trajectory that it can have, so as it is, I said, mutating at a very fast rate, so we have seen various strains of COVID virus are appearing in the global platform like Delta in case of India and new virus and other variants of concern.
Delta plus.
Yes, sir. So these viruses are actually agitating our immune system and making us more vulnerable in a sense that it is impacting on our health as well as our economic condition. So trajectory in that sense, I can say it is impacting on economic, social and on a health aspects in equally in terms of higher as well as lower strata of the society.
Okay, thank you, Sugandhi.
Yes,
Swagati.
Sorry. Now, coming to a slightly different angle.
yes,
You know, gender equality, gender justice is a very important goal. Probably it is there in the SDG as well. So, what is your perception and perspective in India and Orissa, India generally and Orissa particularly? How far have we come in making it real, this gender equality, gender justice? Have we come far? Have we reached? Have we arrived there, or is there a long way to go?
So definitely we have not arrived at a situation where we can say that we are far at a gender equality, but I can say that we are doing definitely a job that is on the way, that we will someday achieve it, but the situation is means in our society, patriarchy is still dominated and women are not, themselves are not self-aware of their rights. And in the very vulnerable areas, they tend to influenced by societal pressure and remain in the background behind their male relative. So in that perspective, I can say that there needs to raise awareness about the legal rights as well as social rights in terms of coming to the mainstream and equally contributing to our society and economy in
Very interesting, very nice, Swagatika. We would like to engage in more, but for want of time, I am stopping here, sir.
So why it is not possible to prepare a vaccine for the virus?
So as I said earlier, that it is mutating at a very fast rate. We are, for instance, we have made one vaccine for a virus, but some other day we find that it is not working against that form. This RNA.
So what we have injected, they may not be working for the other.
No, so that we have to scale it on various terms. There is no single perspective that we can counter on, we can actually bank upon. So we need to take the vaccine. It may not be durable, but still we can take it for the rest of the problems and for others.
To check the virus from pandemic to endemic.
So actually it should be completely restricted. It should not be even endemic. We should completely stop it from spreading, as we have already made.
So what is herd immunity?
Herd immunity is a condition when maximum people in a community
That
are
my maximum is about what percentage?
maximum. So I'm not sure of the total percentage, but I can
Somebody
say
is saying 70-80% of people.
that is case to case basis.
Around
Yes,
60
sir.
to 80.
Yeah, more than that is even we require more people to get immunized, so that antibodies are developed in them and they don't face the severe form of the disease. That is a case of herd immunity.
So can you say Adventure Sports Institute is on the bank of which lake?
Adventure Sports Institute.
No idea.
So no, sir.
Can you say Tehri Lake is the which state? Tehri.
Yeah, Tehri Lake, it's I think Uttarakhand.
Correct. On the bank of Tehri Lake, There is Administrative Sports Institute.
Okay, sir.
In Odisha, we have how many lakes?
One is Chilka Lake, that is very close to my home, I know. And other lake, there is
Nashima.
yes, sir.
So, you are an officer in, you are studying in Godavari Mahavidyalaya?
Yes, sir.
You belong to Banapur or
Yes,
Baluga?
Banapur,
Banapur.
or Chittarajpur.
Or Chittarajpur. Suppose you are selected and you got appointment and you will be posted in Baluga block. What problems you find with Chilika and how you will eradicate it?
Yes, sir. So, the first problem that I can say is the basic amenities provided to the local people for their development. There are
Local
government-
finance.
Yes, sir, local finances, but I am saying more in a term of inclusive way. Means education or education is there, health is there, their financial security and their economic empowerment is there. I would like to work for the women
What
of
is the problem of Chingudiyeri in Chilika?
Yes, sir. There are various illegal prawn embankments which are not essential, but people are making it not abiding the law. Therefore, there are Irrawaddy dolphins and other valuable species are getting trapped, and also various loss to the environment is therefore being made.
If you got that post for OJOS, where you will be your foundation course? In which institute you will get your foundation course?
So I'm not aware actually.
Gopabandhu Sars institution,
Okay, sir.
Gopabandhu Institute of.
Yes, sir.
Then you visited Puri,
Yes, sir. Once or twice.
or you visited to your place.
Yes, sir.
On the road there are toll gates.
Yes, sir.
So toll is in which list? Union list, state list or concurrent list?
Toll. Toll is actually state
No idea.
list, I think, I guess.
What is gender budgeting?
Okay. So gender budgeting is specifically allocating certain amount of a budget for the empowerment and development of women and other related areas, so that they can be aligned to the mainstream of the society.
So your Shriya Chandarani was empowered.
So sorry.
You
sir.
don't know.
No, sir.
Where is the Panchuba Barai temple?
No idea, sir. Sorry.
No idea.
No.
You are a student of zoology.
Yes, sir.
Can you say where the smallest spider, which is the home of smallest spider?
Smallest have to look into it. I'm
No.
not aware.
In your house, small
Okay.
spider in Asia, in India,
Okay.
smallest spider. You have seen elephant?
Yes, sir.
These two, Danto.
Tusk.
What is the tusk? What
Ivory.
is? Huh?
That is ivory. Ivory.
What is that?
Oh, that is actually incisor.
Inside the teeth.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
In your special achievements,
Yes, sir.
you have written that creating awareness about legal rights of women.
Yes, sir.
What is that?
So it was a competition organized in our college, which theme was to create awareness among the women in the locality so that they can stand for their rights. And it was a series of events where we
Now, what are the legal rights of a woman or a girl
Okay.
child?
Okay, sir. So legal rights, considering as we were discussing earlier, there was equality.
Yes.
That is the prime thing that a woman deserves in the society, and which leads to further empowerments in her way, like education, then social status, then economic empowerment in terms of employment,
Employment.
and it also, there are certain things like that domestic violence cases should not be there, and cases like dowry should not be there, and also other related areas where women are means restricted in a society, in particularly family, in the sake of development of the male in the family, that should not be there. So that basically we had a grouping, and we were required, supposed to make various programs like events management and talking with the women in the local area and raising awareness. And even we had debates and dialogues, so that and skits were also performed. It was events of several days, and the college organized that.
College.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I will ask only one question.
Yes, sir.
So, when we say legal rights, there is a corresponding duty.
Yes, sir.
What are the duties of the Indian citizen under Article 51A?
Yes, sir. So, our constitution mentioned various duties that are required by the citizens to perform in respect of enjoying their rights. Like, for example, for most is respecting a woman, her dignity, then respecting.
Exactly, I was asking this question only.
Yes, sir.
There is a duty entrusted on the Indian citizen that they must abjure from violence and respect the dignity of the women. More sufficient.
Very good.
She is doing well.
Thank you.
So we are happy, you have done very well. You have any question to ask of any of us?
Yes, sir.
This is the first time you are appearing?
Yes, sir. First time.
Mock interview?
Yes, sir.
What are your subjects?
So, botany and zoology.
Taଙ୍କ subject questions.
Any questions you would like to ask any of us?
Means, how should I'm little nervous at the time.
That is quite natural. First time when we were there like you, but a little, but then after some time you have answered well. You can nervous, you can
I
overcome.
was fluctuating, I feel.
No.
No.
No, that way obviously because see,
Don't be nervous.
it's because the other side of the you are on the other side, but you have taken the questions very well. You have made us wear the mask, so you have asserted yourself. So I don't think you are nervous.
Sitting position, reply, and positive expression. These are all
And your
good things.
credentials also, you have done very well, and they are interested in psyche of, she's also interested in psyche of animals. So she has a lot of empathy also.
Yes, sir.
All your plus points. Look upon the board as be very polite to them, respectful, but then look upon them as friendly persons. Because what is in limelight is your own personality. We are only the background. We are not important. First thing remember, in an interview, you are the VIP. We are elderly persons, and we will be asking questions. Questions are not important. The questions to bring out your personality. Even your personality. So it is there, you are there. You are taking up a strong position. How the woman is, how socially and other pressures we have not still arrived, so you have definite views about that. Okay? And then your own credentials speak for themselves. So don't be nervous. At some point of time, you should start enjoying. Because you are getting an opportunity to express your personality. And you have definite views. And you have an outstanding academic record. What is that to be? So the clue is initial tension, the board will put you at ease, but the second minute onward, you should start enjoying it. When you feel that, yes, I am enjoying my interview, personality test, then you know you will make it. You have no doubt, you are going to be there.
I have one suggestion. Since you are reading in CBSE school of INS Chilka, we will ask you some question from Chilka.
Yes, sir.
Kalijai. then migratory birds, dolphin.
Right, sir.
Your subject is related fish and migratory birds. Some such things they may ask.
Yes.
And about the status of lake and beach in Odisha,
Okay.
flood situation.
Mhm.
ଚିଲିକାରେ ଗୋଟେ perennial ଗଣ୍ଡଗୋଳ ଲାଗିଥାଏ ଯେ fishermen ମାନଙ୍କର fishing ପାଇଁ
Mm.
ଏସବୁ କେତେ ଗୁଡା ଜିନିଷ ପଚାରିବେ and law and order emanating from fishing and other things. So ଟିକେ awareness ଏଗୁଡା ରଖିଥିବା ଦରକାର.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes.
You will succeed.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I have problem in dealing with the current affair. Basically, as sir asked, I know something, but I found I was
Right.
unable to.
For example,
So, for example, that lakes I was asking,
Mm.
the number, how many lakes do we have in Odisha? I know that, but in the current situation, suddenly I was not able to speak that.
no, it is a test. Supposing you had to answer, you are not answering. How does it make a difference to your personality? I don't think so.
Yes, sir.
These are all factual things. You have answered, okay. You have not answered, that is not going to detract significantly from your personality. But barambar our mind rakhibe, it is a test of not your subject.
Knowledge.
Obviously, you must be very good in botany, zoology, and all. So, isn't it? You have given it, you are very confident. So, your academic credentials or excellence is not in doubt at all. We are testing your personality. Personality comes through in the answers which you are able to, for instance, about women. We are able to see your mind. Yes, woman should assert herself. Yes, we have come some way, but we have not arrived. We have a long way to go because the social pressures continue to be there. Then how do you, yes, law is an instrument and an economic employment, economic government. So, agraha. I find that the second choice is also police. From these small hints, the board will know that you are a very, very strong personality. And at the same time, you want to understand the psyche of animal, though we have not put question. See, the board is senior enough to observe all these things and assess your personalities, not necessarily from what you omit to answer, but from what you have written there. Okay? Don't allow these minor things to keep disturbing your mind. You have done very well, outstanding performance. You will make it to the top. All the best. God bless you, Swadhika.
For the current affairs particularly, see current affairs କଥା ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି. For the current affairs, you read the one Odia newspaper and one English newspaper regular and make some key highlights note କରନ୍ତୁ.
Besides Odisha GK and one any journal. Chronicle.
Exam interview
30 September.
So another 10 days only. Just when you read something related to the administration. Yesterday the boy, he slipped into a drain and then he died. So that it should immediately invoke before you the state of affairs in public administration. Always connect whatever you read and then do the science or discipline. Afghanistan means the international relation, like that. Once you start connecting theory and application, you know. But then you don't worry because 10 days, what you have not gathered in 10 days, because the danger is cramming too many things and not being able to assimilate your this. Don't worry. If you are not very good in content, just read for the time being and that's okay. Okay? Don't allow it to distract or disturb your mind too much.
Be smiling, don't be in sorrowful mood.
Yes.
Smile.
Yes, sir.
And you are a strong personality. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Expression ଠିକ ଅଛି.
Okay?
Wish you all success.
Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
But still you are not convinced. You want to ask something.
No, sir.
Now you can ask. You have very
No,
something
no,
to ask.
Atma Vishwas, Sagarika.
Yes, sir.
Atma Vishwas.
Yes, sir.
You are a young person, very fresh from the university, rounded personality, compassion for the animal psyche, a Buddhist personality. Why do you worry? You are making it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All the
Thank
best.
you.
God bless you, Sagarika. Okay, go ahead, please. Yes.